I totally forgot to take my makeup off last night. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Mom, I have pink eye. Look at my eye. I have pink eye. I can't go to school.
That is not pink eye.
What do you mean?
Pink eye is when the whites of your eyes are pink.
What's wrong with me?
I'm not sure.
Just let me stay home.
Sweetie, you have a huge Spanish exam today. You're not skipping.
If I die? Thanks.
Hey, are you okay?
Fine. Why wouldn't I be fine? I'm feeling great.
You disappeared on us last night. Where'd you go?
Oh, right. I got way too drunk last night. I don't really remember much.
Looks like you had fun, though.
What are you talking about?
There's a hickey on your neck.
Give me your mirror. That doesn't look like a hickey.
That's true, it doesn't.
What is that?
Your hair's fucked up. Here, let me help you. What the fuck is wrong with your eye?
I don't know. I woke up like that.
That's so weird. Ow, I just got a paper cut. I'm gonna act like this doesn't hurt because I don't want people to think I'm weak.
Whoa.